Just a quick message for today. So we're connecting to Lyra's been coming through a lot lately, and so they are really helping with the more material aspects of building the new earth. Okay, normally I connect to 12D beings, the Aurora, the Seraphim, and essentially just the fabric of the universe, and get information directly from the energies. So, but they actually came through the other day. They just came through twice again now, okay, as well as literally the fabric of the universe is coming through as part of this message. So there was initially what I saw was I had gone into the ninth density, which is the white misty realm. It's the heavenly realms, the celestial energies, and you can go in there to manifest from the higher planes, okay? And what was shown to me was this energy trickling down into the collective, kind of like pure source light raindrops. Some people were able to take entire pillars of light from this realm. Others were just getting little bits and pieces, information, coding, pure light. It felt more of a plasmic energy than anything other than that. However, this plasmic energy, which is usually magnetic or emotional, it's actually mental energy. Okay, so it's saturating the mental field and coming into people's consciousness that way, because most people aren't, their emotional and physical bodies are not, the resonance is not high enough to actually be able to absorb or integrate this information. So that's why it's coming into the mental field. So the structure of the fields, your physical body is the lowest frequency, then you have the emotional body is the next highest, then the mental body, then the spiritual body, okay? When all of these bodies are in a similar frequency, bandwidth, frequency range, they can actually harmonize and cohere, and that's when ascension can happen. If you just work with just the mental body to reach the higher planes, you're not going to actually ascend. You'll understand things intellectually, but it won't be integrated into the emotional or physical body. And if you just reach things on the spiritual level, same thing, okay? So you have to actually, when you're going through this process to stabilize the light bodies, you have to actually drop the spiritual and mental energies, rise the physical and emotional energies until they can all lock in. Once they lock in, then you start evolving, okay? So the information that's coming through is about, again, we have this message of stepping into your masculine power to take the action you need to begin expanding your light for ascension, okay? The actions you need for that. So that's one message. We also have this energy around transforming knowledge to wisdom. So how do you transform knowledge to wisdom? It's the difference between understanding something in the mental field and embodying it through lived experience. Okay, so that's spiritual. Most people experience the spiritual realms through the mind and the spiritual energy. So connecting, multidimensionality, plant medicine, whatever, prayer, tarot readings, etc. Lived experience is building the light body, bringing it into your physical and emotional fields, and walking the path. Okay, so that's the other message, is that's what they are asking people to actually step into, instead of just understanding the mental fields, understanding these concepts, to start embodying it, grounding into the higher density cores, working on building the light body, etc. So this is kind of a continuation from the message the other day. So these energies are coming in. They're from the 9D, but they're actually 12D frequencies. So they are stepped down a notch or two to help people integrate, okay? And this is the information that's coming through. The other message is about communicating honestly, being who you truly are. Stop hiding your light. Stop hiding your truth. Allow it just to be seen, okay? And with that message, there's an energy of travel here. So I'm not sure what that message of travel is about. And there is some dense energy that needs to be cleared for you guys to truly step into your power and start embodying more light. Okay. So the energy around retreating, waiting, cabin in the woods came in with travel. So there's a need to actually retreat into nature, to take some time away from society, to actually get to know yourself better. Okay. And overall, we're seeing this energy around small exceeding and inner truth. So to find who you truly are and your true alignment, you need to start paying attention to the small, subtle signs, subtle energies. Okay. Every single line is changing in this. So small exceeding to inner truth. So you need to pay attention to subtle energies, focus on humility, precision, and honoring small movements. This will shift the entire field. Okay. So as you do that, and this is the energy mastery stuff. If you're familiar with that, you'll be able to tell, I have a block in my field in the upper right-hand corner. I can feel it. You can feel that density. You can feel it through looping thoughts. You can feel it through distortions. You can actually, if you're really attuned, these blocks in your field will actually shift your body. You can feel when the solar logos descends into the crown, it feels like a really, really heavy weight on your head until it's integrated, and the energy actually moves through the physical body, through the core channel of your energy into the solar plexus. You can feel it, the weight on your head. You can feel when your spirit is actually dislodged from your body. These are things that they're asking you to start paying attention to. That's the energy mastery stuff. Okay, that's how you know and you can tune into what you need and when. This is the light body path. This is the ascension path. It's subtle, okay? It doesn't come through manifestation. So the energy of past, it's not necessarily sacrifice, it's past activations and integrations that are going to be coming in. Shower of blessings we had. So this energy that I'm seeing is the blessings that are coming in from past work you've done. Okay. So I feel like this is a lot of different messages kind of coming in, but that's essentially what the white, pure white light that I saw coming into the collective is representing, Case. It's energy of blessings, of work that you've already done that will begin coming into your life. There is also a message of being an ambassador of peace and practicing cosmic mastery. So again, we have this energy mastery, connecting to the multidimensional field, holding the field through harmonic resonance, and allowing that to be the focus right now. Okay, these subtle energies shifting into inner truth. You will know your energy, your field, your path by the subtleties, not the major shifts. Okay, but know that these blessings are coming in. And then the last message we had here was about uncording relationships. So this is the untangling energy of being corded to and entangled with other beings. This could be the curse energy, it could be the ice energy, it could be intimate relationships, family relationships, where everything is merged and tangled up within the field. Okay, this is one of the hardest processes. So some of you guys are going through this now. It's very hard to untangle this, especially if you're close to those people and beings, but it is necessary. So that is the last message for today. A lot came through. Take what resonates, leave the rest. And that's it. Sending you lots of love. Bye-bye.